Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to turn off the ABS and traction control. Of course you have the button on the dashboard that allows you to turn the traction control off, but that doesn't, if you've ever tried that, you'll see that it doesn't 100% turn off that traction control and ABS. It disables it, but it will, traction control, ABS can still kick in extreme conditions. So there's another way to turn those off, and that's basically entering the DYNO mode. And the way that you do that is enter the vehicle, do not press the brake pedal like you normally do to start the engine. Just press start, one click. If you have a key, you insert it and you turn it, one click. All the dash light, the background lights for instrument cluster, you can see that is on, miles are displaying. Do not click this twice or turn the key twice to see all, ABS, check engine, and all those lights. You don't want to be at that screen. You want to be right here, just miles and the lights on. Then on the left side here, press left and then scroll to go to trip. Okay, so you're gonna go to trip, and then once you see trip and miles, what you're gonna do is you press the phone, and then a second later press OK and hold these two together. Okay, so again, press phone and a second later hold these two together. Now you don't want to have anything, you don't want to see that on there. You want to see miles again, and then trip, and now here phone and OK, and then keep holding about 5 seconds. And this is vehicle data, dyno test. Scroll down to that, press OK. We're using this right here, and it says it's off right now. We press OK here to change, and it says dyno test enabled. Then you can go start vehicle, and you can see EBD, ABS, traction control unavailable, diagnostic test on, and you can see ABS is on, traction, it's the everything is off. I mean, you don't want to be driving like this, or this is only for testing purposes. That's all. Thank you for watching.